What is up, YouTube? This is your boy Braden, and welcome to the video. Today, we're gonna be going over the Alphalete military launch on March 7th, 2020. As you guys can see, I got 5 items. I got the essential tee in black. I got the essential tee in army. I got the scoop neck in black, scoop neck in military, and then also just so I can take advantage of the free shipping, because if your order reaches over $175, they ship it for free. So I ended up getting the performance tee in cargo, which is that tan color that you saw in that overview. But the reason why I got so many different, you'll even see doubles of the same color, or even just like same color but different, different style of the t-shirt, is because I wanted to see which one fit best. So we're gonna go ahead and try them on and show you what that looks like. Before I do that, just so you guys know, I wear a size medium. I usually fluctuate between 175 to 180, 5'10". So that'll kind of give you a barometer as to where I stand and where that might fit you in terms of your measurements. So the first one that I'm gonna go ahead and try on for you guys is the Alphalete Essential Tee. So this one, it's a little bit different than the scoop necks if you guys have ever gotten one. But the stitching is, it goes around the back, and the neck is a little bit, it's not as wide, which you'll see in a second. And then also some of the details towards the bottom of the shirt, it doesn't have that typical scoop hemming, a larger knit and length towards the end. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on so you guys see what I'm talking about. Like I said, this is a medium. I'm a true medium. This is how it fits. Definitely a fan. As you can see, it's just disclaimer, by the way. I definitely have a big neck, so definitely take that into consideration when you're looking at your shirts. But as you can see, the sleeves are accentuated, nice and tight around the arms. Really accentuate the arms. So don't skip arm day, gentlemen. And then I'm gonna stand back so you guys can see. Overall, really good fit. Like how it looks. Take the camera so you can see. Got some black jeans on. It's definitely on the longer side. Something that I definitely didn't expect just from previous products that I bought. So it's definitely on the longer side. Let me see if I can get you guys a better view. So if you can see, shirt fits pretty good. Got minimal branding on the side. Honestly, definitely a fan of this shirt. I'm wearing black jeans, so it's kind of hard to see, but it's definitely kind of long on the longer side. Not sure if that's a deal breaker for some of y'all, but I could definitely live with that. But for the most part, fits great. The blend is 94% cotton, 6% elastane. So that's the blend. It definitely feels heavy duty. So huge fan of that. That we're gonna try on is the scoop neck. So also in black, also a size medium. So let's go ahead and put it on. Okay, so here it is. Just as expected, scoop neck, so you definitely have a wider neck. I think this is just the right amount of scoop that I like. I've had other scoop necks that just go too wide, and it looks like unless you have your traps and your upper chest developed, you kind of look like a bird. But this is just the right amount. to be honest, I feel like I have more room in this shirt than I did with the essential tee. For some reason, like it doesn't feel as snug around my chest and my back and my lats, which is nice. You know, have some room, as you can see, but it's not so loose that it has that baggy look. It's still fitted. Stitching that goes down the back of the shirt and gives it that, really accentuates your lats, which I'm a huge fan of. Nice and tight, sleeves are nice and tight around the arms. And then you got the scoop stitching. So if you guys want to see, it's you got that scoop stitching around the bottom. But all in all, definitely a fan of this shirt. So up next we have the essential tee, and this one is in army, or that dark olive color. So you got that arc stitching in the back, and as you'll see, you will have the elongated stitching towards the bottom here. But let's go ahead and give it a try. Okay, so here it is. Definitely same fit as the black one. You know, as you can see, in contrast from the scoop neck and this one, this is tied around the neck. So for some of you guys who like that style, you know, this might be the better fit for you. Or maybe if you like both, you're gonna want both. I will say this, after trying this one on and the scoop neck, it feels like the stitching or just like the length of the sleeve is higher on the essential tee than it is on the scoop neck. The scoop neck goes down just like half an inch more. This one seems to, you know, go exactly. So I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, kind of put this down so you guys can see. So this is stitching on this one. Got a little bit of length on the back. So I definitely like how this fits. Fits really clean, real nice. I think my only complaint is that you know, the sleeves are a little bit high on the higher side for the essential tee. And like I mentioned with the scoop neck, you definitely feel like you have a little bit more room in your lats. But other than that, it's a good shirt. Army scoop neck. So I'll go over some of the details on here. So this one does have a wider neck. It has stitching going down the lats, as you can see. Really accentuates your back. So man, don't forget to hit your back. Do your rows for the hose, if you know what I'm talking about. Let's go ahead and put this on. Right. So here we go. Here's the scoop neck in gray, in that olive color. They call it Army for this launch. Kind of like I mentioned previously, every time I'm like swapping off between the essential tee and the scoop necks, I do feel like the stitching just goes down a little bit further for the scoop necks. Definitely, obviously a wider neck. I feel like this one is even a little bit wider than the black one. But you know, it's not too much. Just if you're gonna wear a scoop neck, you definitely wanna, you know, hit your traps, do your upper chest. You gotta show off those gains. And I'll show you guys the look. So this is it with the shirt on. Then so you guys can see the bottom. You got a scoop stitching. All in all, I feel like this has just more room in your trunk area, you know, in your lats and your stomach. Then the essential tees. So they're a different fit. If you want a little bit more fitted, a little bit more tailored fit, I think the essential tees are definitely it. But the scoop necks, you know, feel like they have a little bit more room. The last one that we're gonna be doing today is gonna be the cargo performance tee. So this one is a different fit. As you can see, this is a performance tee. So as you can see off the top, you know, this definitely fits different from the other two. You got, I guess you could say like a crew neck type fit at the top. Panel stitching on the shoulders. And then you got obviously the Alphalete logo across the chest. I'm gonna show you guys the back. Then I'll go ahead and kind of show you how it fits towards the bottom. So this one I've actually put on and I've washed already, so that's what you know it kind of looks like it's been washed. But spaced throughout, has a slight scoop on the side. It'll definitely rest right at the hips. Really digging this color. You know, kind of, it's not like traditional, you know, tan. I think out of all the shirts that I got, I do have a lot of black and olive already, but this one, I just really like this color. Very, very happy with it. Definitely pull up to the gym with it. Wear it real like on a casual day. Maybe you're just lounging in the house. Definitely really like this shirt for that. So that completes this haul. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and we'll see you on the next one.